So when I decided to have surgery a few weeks ago, I said, hey, I'm going to treat this like a race. I'm going to get in shape, get my nutrition dialed in like I was getting ready to do like any race. And today is race day, and it feels like race day. It's 4:30 in the morning, so it feels like we're getting up for the race. Slept pretty well last night, fell asleep really well, had some really weird dreams that involved my surgery. So I kind of woke up. I was a little anxious about missing the alarm clock this morning, but alarm clock went off at 4:30. I'm going to have a little bit to drink this morning because I still have 2 hours before I have to be NPO. I'm not having any solid foods, but I'm going to drink a little bit this morning, just to get some extra calories in me. And showered this morning, used my antibacterial soap. So nice warm shower to wake me up. And then got my clothes on. Pro tip with my wife being an anesthesiologist, she said, wear a shirt that buttons in the front as opposed to something I got to put over my head. I got my lucky socks on. Let's see, there's my ninja socks. And so we're ready to go. So nothing to eat this morning. I got my wife ready. She's set. And I can't think of a better support person to have. I always love my wife, but it's great having a wife who's an anesthesiologist, especially on a day like today. So it's game time. Let's get ready for the race. We're walking to the hospital. It's game time. Say hi, Joe. And we are here. We are here. All right. It is 6:25. We're in pre-op. I've done a nice cleanse myself many times. There's Joanne. And got the IV in, and I should show the IV. Here's the IV. Went very smooth. Harrison, our nurse, put it in very smoothly, very nice. And so now we're just waiting. So let's do this. So we just had the neurophysiologist come in, great guy, Ilya. And so they got me hooked up with wires, and this is going to make sure that there's some on my feet too. You don't see those. So that's going to make sure that the nerves don't get messed up while they're doing the surgery. So, which is good. Hey everyone, it's time is it? About 1:45. My surgery was 5 to 1. My surgery was scheduled at 7:30. We got done. I don't remember anything. Yeah, things went well. I'm having a little bit of tightness where the incision is. Neck's feeling great. They loaded me up on all sorts of stuff during the surgery. Neuromonitoring went well. I'm a happy camper right now, but that could be the drugs talking. Evidently, in post-op, I asked for my glasses so I could see my smoking hot wife, which I'm glad I said that. Yeah, so we're 5 hours from incision time. And doing good. I'm just kind of sleepy, so I'm gonna listen to some tunes and chill and take it easy today. My smoking hot wife's making me some soup, which sounds good. I had a little protein drink, get some recovery going already. So so far so good. All right, we're about 12 hours after surgery. It's about 7:30 tonight. Just some updates. I came home, had some lunch. I did take a nap for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, which was really nice. Was wearing a soft collar while I did that, which I think helped me sleep a little bit. I think the pain is a little bit worse now. I think the pain meds are obviously wearing off. So a little bit more pain with swallowing, especially on this right side. But not bad. I haven't taken any pain medications yet. I'm going to take a muscle relaxant and a pain med tonight to help me sleep. And I have a secret thing to help with my little sore throat. Vanilla ice cream. Yeah. So yeah, that's helping. Appetite's been good. Zero nausea and vomiting at all. I am going to have to start thinking about, I don't know what to say for YouTube, but bowel stuff. So I'm going to start some fiber tomorrow, and we'll see how the day goes. But all in all, long day, tired. Got some work done tonight, which I shouldn't be doing, but I can't do anything else. And Michigan basketball lost. So, but all in all, good day. It's time is it? It's I think I'm just about 24 hours out from my surgery. Yeah, it's about 9:30, which is about 24 hours out from my surgery. Things are going pretty well. Slept. I wish I would have slept a little bit better last night. Throat's still a little bit sore. I did take a pain med last night, and I also took a. What else did I take? Oh, I took a muscle relaxant, which I think helped, but my sleep. I took a nap in the afternoon, so I was tired, but I wasn't. I don't know. It's just messed up. So, yeah. So, and then this morning, I had a bowel movement. Yeah, I had a bowel movement. I did. I'm very proud. So that's a good sign. I'm going to take some Tylenol and ibuprofen today. Maybe go for a little walk. I'll get a video of that. But we're 24 hours out and kind of doing okay. I'm getting some work done. I am realizing my brain is still a little hazy. This morning I woke up and I noticed I still had some tape residue on my hands, which I did not notice yesterday. So we'll see how today goes. Hey, going for a walk. We're going to see how this goes. It's
Post-op day one.
Post-op day one, a little over 24 hours out. Just going to go really slow. See how it goes. It's sunny, nice. Fresh air is good. Yummy. Thank you. So we have a real-time review of the Trader Joe's dark chocolate protein muffin.
I bought it for you.
Joanne bought it for me. She just cooked it. Did you cook it with milk or water?
Milk. You need calories.
It's like a muffin.
Heal. Is it good?
Yeah, it's yummy. It's good. Thumbs up. All right, it's Sunday. So surgery was Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm 3 days out. Gonna take the bandages off, I think, later today. Went for another walk today. Felt pretty good. A little tired. I just get tired. And probably the biggest thing, I think, at day 3, still I feel like I have a little bit of a frog in my throat in terms of swallowing, so I'm just being really careful with that. Still drinking a lot of tea with honey, and energy levels improving. I did sleep better. Last night was the best night of sleep I've had in the last 3 nights. So that was good. I fell asleep really well, which I didn't do the first 2 nights. So hoping that helps with recovery. So we're making progress. I'm glad I'm not going back to work tomorrow, however, because I'm still tired and because I'm old. All right, it is day 4. We're on Monday. Yeah, surgery was Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yeah, 4 days. So we're 4 days out, and I took my bandages off today, so we got some steri strips on there. Those are going to fall off, so we're probably going to put some new ones on. Still with sore throat. That's like my biggest annoyance. Last night it was really bothering me, especially in the morning. So I think I'm going to try a different approach tonight. I'm not going to take my narcotic pain meds. Instead, I'm going to take my some ibuprofen and Tylenol, see if that helps out longer. I've been sucking on throat lozenges and tea all day today and just watching what I eat. But energy level's good. I haven't needed a nap today. Went out for a 1 hour, very easy hike. That was good. So we're turning the corner. All right, it's 7:32 on Thursday. I am officially now 1 week out from surgery. I guess the start of 1 week out from the start of my surgery, and I'm back at work. I'm going to work a half day today, see how it goes, take it easy. Swallowing is still problematic. It's slowly getting better. That's probably my biggest issue. My voice is still kind of froggy, which I'm trying to do a podcast and it's kind of screwing that up. But energy level's okay. Pain is actually a little bit, it's kind of weird. Like I'll get some more twinges now at night. I think range of motion's starting to come back. But it's not severe, and if I just get my head in the right position, it's good. So pain's good. I'm not needing any, I'm still taking Tylenol and ibuprofen. I'm not needing anything stronger than that. Did sleep pretty well the last couple nights, thanks to some Benadryl and Lunesta. Not on the same night, Benadryl one night, Lunesta the other. So sleep's better. Still having some, trying to think what else is going on. Still walking. That's all good. So we're gonna see how work goes today. 1 week out, half day, not that many patients. We'll take it easy. All right, it's day 13 post-op. I'm going to physical therapy right now. We're going to try a little physical therapy, and then I'm going to see my surgeon later this afternoon. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I haven't updated in a while because there hasn't been much of an update. See, the sun's coming up here in Reno. But I did go back to work on Monday full time. I was exhausted after that. Probably a bad idea. Probably would have been good to work some half days this week. That's what my surgeon told me, but I was like, no, we can do it. But yeah, I'm going to do a little PT today, start working, I think, on range of motion and get this left shoulder strong. And then we'll check in with the surgeon. Still some swelling in the neck. It's getting better. I might shave. I don't know. We'll see. But we'll check in after both my PT and my doctor's appointment today. This is going to be my last video. So I am now 6 weeks out and doing well. A little scar there still. See that guy? But swallowing's great. Here lifting weights today and doing some strength. You can see the weights and stuff there. Yeah, and I'm like back to 100%. So today is exactly 6 weeks, and thank you, Sierra Neurosurgery and Dr. Morgan and my entire team. I hope if you're watching this video, this was helpful. Talk to you soon.